Hi, my name is Michael, head of the Customer Service Department of Decibel Hearing Aids, and today I'm going to be going over the usage of your R4, maintenance of the R4, and troubleshooting any issues you might have. Now, for using your R4 hearing aid, we're going to go through volume control, inserting and taking off ear domes, and charging the hearing aids themselves. So, for the R4, you will be using this screwdriver. Now, to turn up the volume, you will insert the screwdriver and turn the knob clockwise. Now, to turn down the volume, you will turn it counterclockwise. To insert an ear dome, you'll grab whichever one fits your ear the best and press it on like so. And removing is just as simple. Now, for charging the hearing aid, you will use the micro USB right here and attach it to the bottom of the hearing aid. Push it in, plug it into the wall, make sure it's off when you're charging, and it's that simple. The next section we'll be going over is maintenance of your R4 hearing aid. Now, that's going to involve cleaning the R4 and how to turn the device on and off. Now, for cleaning the R4, you will be using this black tool with a brush attached to the end. So be sure you're regularly cleaning off any sort of debris or earwax from the ear dome. And to remove the ear dome and clean off any sort of earwax from the entrance and around the hearing aid itself. Now, to turn on and off the device, right at the end of the hearing aid, O means off and N means on. Now, when you're charging the device, please be sure that the switch is in the O position. The final section we'll be going through is troubleshooting. Now, if you grab your user guide, open it up to section 7, everything we'll be going through in this portion of the video is detailed and bullet pointed. Now, the first problem you might have with your R4 is if no sound is heard from the device. If that's the case, please make sure that the R4 is on. That means that you have to check that the switch is on N. If the switch is on, then the microphone might be dirty. So please be sure to clean off any excess debris from right above the power switch. If there is debris cleaned off, then you have to make sure that the battery is fully charged. The next problem you might run into is if the device is too quiet. If that's the case, please be sure to turn up the volume. You can turn up the volume by inserting your screwdriver and turning the knob clockwise. If it is turned up, then the battery might be low. So please be sure to plug in the micro USB to the charging port. If both of those things do not work, please be sure to clean off any excess debris from the microphone or from where the earbuds are put on. The final problem you might run into is if the device is whistling. Now, if it is whistling, the volume might be a little bit too high. So be sure to plug your screwdriver into the knob and turn it counterclockwise. And if that does not work, then your battery might be a little low. So please be sure to charge your device using the micro USB charger. Now, if your device is fully charged, please be sure to clean off any excess debris from where the ear dome is inserted or from the microphone. Thank you so much for choosing Decibel Hearing Aids, and we hope you enjoy your R4.